Hey friends, it's Donna Fiore with eXp Realty. I am here just 5 miles from the Atlantic Beach. If you're looking for a multi-generational home or investment property, you're gonna love this one. It's very close to University of North Florida, the Mayo Clinic, and did I mention this saltwater pool? You're gonna love this house. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. Welcome to 12187 Basalt Drive, located in Kernan Lake Subdivision, Laurel Springs. Just minutes from the beach, west of the Intercoastal Waterway, close to University of North Florida, Mayo Clinic, and downtown Jacksonville. As you walk into this spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, you'll immediately feel the brand new air conditioner cooling down the spacious 2,300 square foot home. You're going to love the flooring throughout, leading your view to the saltwater pool. This has a great floor plan for entertaining. Just open the sliding doors, let the fresh air and waterfall sounds of the pool take you away. The living room features a wood-burning fireplace for those chilly North Florida evenings. The kitchen has all stainless steel appliances and you can enjoy breakfast overlooking your saltwater pool. The split floor plan gives you 2 additional bedrooms along with full bath leading onto the pool deck. And don't forget, you've got a washer and dryer to do your laundry and wash off those sandy bathing suits. You're going to love the conservation area behind your home, watching birds, wildlife, and enjoying an unforgettable sunset. Don't forget the nightlife in Atlantic Beach, Ponte Vedra, Neptune Beach, or downtown Jacksonville, shopping at St. John's Town Center, fine dining, or your local beach pub. Lots of choices, and you've got a few sports teams nearby too. Who doesn't want to live between beach and Atlantic Boulevard? Did I mention that sunset view at the pool? You're going to love it here. Come on, contact me, Donna Fiore, for your private showing. Don't let this salty retreat slip away.